Hi guys, today we have just come in for a small purchase. So trying to pick one nice helmet. So let's see, this is a beautiful shop where we got most of the accessories around, a lot of good helmets, good brands. I'll just try to take a tour of it. Mr. Ghost,
Yes.
நான் என்ன வாங்குறீங்க நீங்க purchase பண்றீங்க?
We are going to buy a helmet,
Okay.
glove.
Okay.
So we are looking for this.
Okay. We got some nice jackets. So we have got all Indian brands here, Studs, Vega, and we got riding boots. I guess they got Rida, Razzo, and some nice saddlebags. And I like the collections of the helmets here. Most of our team members have taken all the helmets here, so we can see LS2. I guess these are some new options. And these are MT segments. So MT is my favorite brand. So we got MT Blade, Hummer, and the hospitality is really good. You can see just members have come in. And so these are Axis and Axar brands here. And we also have
ups and downs, it's like every different season, yo. Sometimes I'm high, other times I'm barely breathing, though. I always gotta fight and hide from the demons, yo. Negative thoughts are poison, they rot. Head full of flies, so here come the clouds. They'll never stop unless I can swap all the bad for the good in my head when I'm lost. Yeah, so I'ma fake it till I make it. Positive thoughts are overtaken, I got patience. One day at a time is how you operate a cadence. Afloat, you grow, you show yourself a foundation. Stay away from all the shit that causes temptation.